If you cannot correctly identify whether the market is making an uptrend or a downtrend, your trading becomes guessing. In this video, I want to show you how to know whether the market is an uptrend or downtrend using price action. A trend is a general direction in which the market is using to tell us whether the buyers or the sellers are currently in control. For example, when you see the market makes a higher high, higher low, higher high, you know that the trend of the market is bullish. But when you see the market makes a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, you know that the trend of the market is bearish. But when you go to the real chart, you will see that the market does not move in straight line like this drawing. So instead, the market moves like this. And you'll be wondering, how do you know the trend of this market? The simple strategy I use to tell the trend of the market in this kind of condition is for me to go to the higher time frame. I go to the higher time frame to filter out all this noise. When you go to the higher time frame, you're going to see that all this movement is just maybe a one candle. All this movement is maybe a one candle or two candle. All this movement to the downside is either a one candle or two candle. So the higher time frame is going to filter out all this noise for you. Secondly, what I use to tell the trend of the market is my trading range, which I'm going to talk about trading range in a separate video. That's why I need to like this video and subscribe to this channel so that you will get notified whenever I post the video on this channel. This becomes my high. Using my trading range, this becomes my high. This becomes the low. This becomes another low after the market took the upside, and this becomes my high. You understand? So this is higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high. So that is how the market always moves. Let me now take you to the chart, since you have understand the idea, and show you the practical example how to know if the market is an uptrend or a downtrend. This is USD CHF. On this USD CHF, the first thing I have to do for me to know the trend of the market is to go to the higher time frame. When I go to this daily time frame, I see the market makes a high, and then you see the market taking this low. After this high, the market come all the way to the downside, taking this low. So after taking this low, I know that the trend of the market now is bearish. So this becomes a lower high, and this becomes a lower low. So the market, after taking here again, I know that this becomes another high because it has taken here. So after that, you know this is another low. This is another low. And this becomes my high. So this is how I use trading range to identify the trend of the market. Let me give you another example. using Euro USD. On this Euro USD, let me remove all this drawing. On this Euro USD, I see that the market makes a high, the market makes a high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So now I know that the trend of the market is bullish. You understand? So I use trading range to tell the trend of the market. So after I know the trend of the market, is for you to know your trading range. Then you mark out your point of interest before you enter any trade. So this is how to tell the trend of the market. One, you have to go to the higher time frame for you to see the clearer picture of what the market is telling you. Then two, you have to use your trading range to tell if the market is bullish or bearish. If you found value on this lesson, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I would like to see your comments on the comment section below. Because in Trading Unveil Academy, we unravel the hidden mysteries in the financial market and demystifies the complexities involved in trading. I am Moses Odoki. Thank you for watching this video, and I would like to see you on the next one. Bye.